Here we are in the uranium tanks. This is the first one. As you can see, the leak or the crack has been sealed, and this job has just been done last week. And we've inspected this whole tank, and we found all the cracks have been sealed. But there are more tanks in the forest that are still left in the open. But I don't know how long this will last, but it's been sealed by some cement and sand last week, and we saw some tracks of 4x4 vehicles coming here. So thanks for those who have raised the attention to the government to get this job done. But now we know that radiation is still high even with the tank sealed, and we should not stay in this area for too long, because in the third tank the radiation level was up to 400 CPW, which is very high. So if I were to stay here continuously for 2 months, I would probably die of cancer by the end of the 2 months with that 450 CPW measurement. So I advise people not to come here too often, and if you stay, maximum half an hour to 1 hour and get out of here. Thank you very much. Somehow the radiation here is very high. It went up to 315 and it fluctuates in and out to 216. And I think it's coming down from the... it's okay. So it's fluctuating between 235 and 315, which is really high out here. And you can see there's a little stream right behind me. So whatever is happening here is affecting the entire stream behind. This leakage is coming through this little stream and straight into the rivulet. And that explains all the dead fish, because this kind of high level radiation will impact all life forms in this stream. So basically it's a dead stream, and anyone who drinks this water will be in trouble. So this is proof to you that there's high radiation here, and we should avoid staying here for too long. And there's a high risk of even us getting high exposure to radiation and getting cancer if we stay here for long durations of time. So just hanging around here for an hour or two is okay, but we cannot stay here for long durations with this kind of radiation level. It's way beyond the permissible limit for our bodies to take on. Thank you.